Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Josh. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday, Kuya Josh. Oh, make a wish. Make a wish. Close your eyes. Yay, happy birthday. Is that the lyrics? Oh, read first. There's a message.
Happy not birthday. We got to go daddy and mama. You know, not birthday. Thank you, mommy and daddy.
Lupa yung mga
Justin.
Justin. Kuya, birthday. Kuya, sige. Na, greet Kuya. Greet Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya. What's up with cake?
Basta,
That's what you like?
Yes.
Oh, you like dinosaurs, huh?
Mm.
You don't like bike, you like dinosaurs.
How about the kuan? Wish granted?
Yes.
Okay, mommy.
Thank you, daddy and mommy.
How about you, Lance?
So you're happy na? You're so happy?
How about you, Lance?
You see, why do you like this? You see? Why do you like that? Huh? What is that? What dino is that?
There's a chunky T-Rex. A fat T-Rex.
How about you, Lance? It's Kuya's birthday now. Kiss Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya. Kiss Kuya. Kiss to Kuya.
Kiss Kuya.
Kiss Kuya.
Kiss Kuya. Kiss Kuya.
Kiss and hug.
Ow.
Kiss. It's Kuya's birthday now. So next time, what is your wish also on your birthday?
Bye.
Why? Bigati ka. Lupin ako. Cry. Why are you crying yesterday?
Because I wanted a T-Rex.
Then, what mommy and daddy said?
He said on the birthday.
So, who went there early? You just woke up then. What time is it now? Who went
You
there?
set alarm for to Alexa? For one, opening of Lulu, right?
Then why you did not wake up? What time is it now? Alexa, what time is it? Oh, 9 na. Did you alarm?
Did you set alarm?
Yes.
Then, who went there?
Mommy and daddy.
Today, mommy and daddy went to Lulu?
Yeah.
No. You didn't know? Mommy and daddy bought it yesterday. Hey, shh. Daddy and mommy bought it yesterday. Ah, you didn't know? Mommy and daddy bought it yesterday.
Okay, go.
Alright,
Okay, sing
so-
first, sing.
Sing
Okay,
first.
sing first.
Yeah,
Sing for
sing.
Kuya. Happy. Okay, go.
Happy birthday.
Kuya Josh.
Louder.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Josh.
Make a wish for Kuya.
Wish.